A to Z we start today. Tony shows a fun way. Letters shining on the road, learning lightens every load. Hip, hip, hooray! A is for apple so bright. Tony smiles with delight. Say the letters, say the sound. Learning joy is all around. Everything feels right. Follow letters on the way. Tony walks and loves to play. B and C and D in line. Learning letters feels so fine. Join the fun today. B is for a big brown bear. Tony points and shows with care. Say the sound and clap along. Learning makes us smart and strong. Fun is everywhere. C is for a cute small cat. Tony learns and knows that. Let the learning be your guide. Remember that. Run the path and don't be slow. Tony's skills begin to grow. D, E, F, and G go fast. Learning fun that always lasts. Watch him glow. Find the next letter in line. Tony says he feels so fine. Then choose the answer right. Learning shines so big and bright. You will do just fine. Color letters in the sky. Tony waves and jumps up high. Rainbow learning all around. Happy letters make a sound. Reach up, touch the sky. Reach the Z and celebrate. Tony says this feels so great. From A to Z we made the way. Learning wins the day today. Let's all celebrate. Great job, you did it right. Tony smiles with pure delight. Wave goodbye and come again. Learning fun will never end. Shining big and bright.